the Xiaomi Pad 7 and 7 Pro in China in October 2024. While the standard Pad 7 just launched globally at MWC at 2025, it looks like the series is not done yet. Recent leaks suggest Xiaomi is working on another model which has appeared in China's 3C certification database. A Russian blog says it might be the Xiaomi Pad 7s Pro, a successor to last year's 6s Pro. This tablet has been spotted under the model number ending P42C and it supports 120 watt fast charging. The 3C certification did not mention any cellular connectivity, so there will be only Wi-Fi variant. The model number 2503 hints at a possible March 2025 launch, though details are limited. If anything goes by it, you can expect top tier specs. For reference, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro featured a 12.4-inch 3K display with 144Hz refresh rate, a dual camera 50 megapixel main and 2 megapixel depth sensor and 20 megapixel front camera. It was powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with 16GB of RAM, 1TB of storage, 10,000 mAh battery and supported 120 watt fast charging. It was the first Xiaomi tablet to come with HyperOS pre-installed. It came with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3 and USB Type-C port. And if the Pad 7s Pro follows suit, it could be one of the most powerful Android tablets out there. No official confirmation has come from Xiaomi, but with a possible March launch, you might not have to wait long for it.